Traumas. The twilight of fertility. What is menopause? In the grand timeline of womanhood, there comes a sacred turning point, a moment when the rhythm of cycles ceases and a new harmony begins. Menopause is the permanent end of menstruation, officially diagnosed after 12 consecutive months without a period. This natural biological shift typically occurs between the ages of 45 and 55, with the average age in the United States being 51. It is the result of the gradual decline in reproductive hormones, especially estrogen and progesterone, produced by the ovaries. But menopause is not a breakdown. It is a biological evolution, a new phase, a call to reclaim your strength and embrace a deeper version of yourself. The Odyssey of Symptoms, Signals of Change. The journey to menopause, known as perimenopause, can span several years. And like all great journeys, it brings challenges that reveal inner strength. The most common signs include hot flashes and night sweats, sudden waves of heat lasting from 30 seconds to 10 minutes, often followed by intense sweating. Sleep disturbances, difficulty falling or staying asleep, frequently linked to nighttime hot flashes. Mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and even episodes of depression, all triggered by hormonal fluctuations. Vaginal dryness, a decrease in natural lubrication, which can cause discomfort during intimacy. Physical changes, weight gain, especially around the abdomen, loss of bone density, and muscle mass reduction. These symptoms may feel overwhelming, but with understanding and preparation, they can be transformed into stepping stones toward greater balance. The role of nutrition, crafting a new balance. What you eat becomes a powerful ally during this stage. The right nutrition doesn't just help manage symptoms, it promotes vitality, resilience, and healing from within. Key dietary elements include calcium and vitamin D, crucial for bone density and osteoporosis prevention, found in low-fat dairy, fatty fish, and through safe sun exposure. Protein supports muscle mass. Look for lean meats, legumes, and nuts. Phytoestrogen-rich foods, found in soy, flaxseed, and legumes. These compounds naturally mimic estrogen and help reduce hot flashes. Hydration and fiber. Drinking enough water and consuming fiber aids digestion and enhances overall well-being. Eating isn't just survival, it's self-care at the cellular level. The art of adaptation. Strategies for a healthy transition. Navigating menopause successfully isn't about resisting change, it's about adapting with grace, intention, and wisdom. Adopt these empowering habits. Regular exercise, especially strength training and cardio, boosts metabolism, preserves bone health, and improves mood. Stress management. Practices like yoga, meditation, and mindful breathing ease anxiety and promote emotional balance. Avoid harmful habits. Reducing alcohol, caffeine, and quitting smoking can significantly reduce symptom severity. Routine health checkups. Regular visits to your healthcare provider ensure you're on the right path with personalized guidance. Menopause doesn't demand perfection, it asks for presence and care. The horizon of wisdom. Redefining menopause. Menopause is not the sunset of your vitality, it's the sunrise of your wisdom and rebirth. It is an invitation to pause, realign, and rise. This is the season to reconnect with yourself, to set bold new goals, to listen to your body with compassion, to live not in spite of change, but because of it. Accurate information and a strong support system are your armor and compass through this transition. With them, you don't just survive menopause, you emerge empowered. Your epic journey continues. In this story, you are the heroine, and every hot flash, every restless night, every tear and smile is a step closer to the most powerful version of yourself